Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up your WooCommerce products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your admin panel here of WordPress. After that, all we need to do is to start creating backups for our WooCommerce website. And basically, the backup would include everything from the website, functionalities, and everything. And to have backups, you will need just to add some plugins that will do the work. In my case, I already have the Updraft Plus, but there are many plugins that will do the work. So you can simply go to the plugins and then click on add new plugins. And after that, just type backup. So I'm just going for backup, and then you will need just to search for uh, what you want. You can use Jetpack, Duplicator, or anything that you would like. And after that, you install and active your plugin. You will find it here in your menu. In my case, I already have Updraft Plus here, and simply you will need just to click on Backup, and from there you can, from the existing backup, you can start going back and roll to your older versions. Another way, you can simply export and import your products. So you can just select all your products, export them, and after that, all you need to do just to export all custom meta, generate the CSV, and you will have it in a CSV file. And whenever you want to have your products back, let's suppose that something happened, like it's been deleted, etc. You will need just simply to click on import, and then you will need just to add your CSV file. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.